room. I have created some extra space now, so it's more room to kind of separate things more. Also, look toward. This it. This the tour. That's all. But I gotta finish putting my labels on, but HTV and vinyl transfers, tools, resin, molds, resin things, beyond equipment. Don't want to do too much for the desk area. Don't know how long to keep it. When I moved, I apparently lost some pieces, so it's a bit unstable. And got those labeled. Different things placed out, resin tumblers. Definitely, I still got to do some dusting. Heat press items. And not exactly happy with the closet, but this is what we're gonna do right now. It's fabric, backdrops and things, canvases, gift boxes, equipment. Those bags have scraps, vinyl scraps, and fabric backdrops and other ones. Well, hope you enjoyed my first clean with me. Don't think I'm going to be doing this quite often. Again, wanted to post a video that could help you during your cleaning process whenever you decide to go about it. I hope you enjoy your day. Make smart choices. Stay creative.